Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Lady Musgrave Road and we're heading into what they call the Golden Triangle. It's one of the nicest areas in St. Andrew. It's actually in the Ligony area, and these properties, they're very old, so they were built, the houses were built on very large lots. Like straight ahead is Vale Royal, and that was the official residence of the Prime Minister. Well, it still is the official residence, but the Prime Ministers, the last few Prime Ministers haven't lived there. But it's a historic site. And the homes in the Golden Triangle are very expensive. It's one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. But it's a very old neighborhood. I mean, most times persons buy the homes, tear them down, and build apartment buildings or townhouses. So straight ahead is Vale Royal. We actually have videos up driving through Vale Royal, so you can search the site. So we are on Upper Montrose now. Actually Montrose. If we turn left here, we'd go on to Upper Montrose, but we're going down to Seymour Avenue. So we're on Montrose Avenue now, and this is what they call the Golden Triangle. Okay, so we're going to turn left on Seymour Avenue and head towards Hopefield Avenue. So you're going to find a lot of townhouses now, a lot of apartment buildings in this area, because the lots, as we said, were so big that you can buy a house, tear down the house, and build an apartment complex. So on the right, okay, I'm going to stop here and give you an example of just how big these lots are. Now this property was purchased to build apartments, but I don't know, they haven't done anything with it. I mean, they fenced it off, which is very nice. So this property was actually 3 homes, and they bought the homes and the plan was to build apartments. They had actually designed the buildings because pictures were sent out so people could see what they would look like, and nothing has been done recently. As you can see, the lot is still empty, so they haven't started construction. So I'm not sure what's going on with that project. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below, but that's just an example of how big these lots are. Okay, I'm going to show you another property. Now this is one home, this property I'm going to show you. It's on the right, and look at the land space. Straight ahead on the right, or straight ahead now, it's a huge property, and that's just one home. Alright, so now you're going to see even more apartment buildings, gated communities, townhouses. It's unbelievable. But that just goes to show you how popular this area is. As you build them, people buy them or rent them. And they actually have some very nice complexes on this road, very modern looking. And on the left where you see the zinc fence, that means they are going to start construction soon, if they haven't started already. Now on the right is Campion College, and this is a high school, and it's actually the #2 school in Jamaica. in terms of high schools. Every year they rank them according to the CSEC passes. That's an international exam, and the schools that get the best passes, that's what they use to rank them. Immaculate Conception High School is actually the #1 school. Alright, so we're now on Hope Road. We're at the intersection with Hope Road. So we're turning left onto Hope Road now. And we're going to turn left here and go on to Donhead Avenue. And you're going to see even more townhouses and apartments. So this is Donhead Avenue. And basically this is how the entire Golden Triangle looks. You have a few homes, but the majority is townhouses and gated communities or apartments. We're now turning right onto Hopefield Avenue. And as you can see, even more gated communities. Alright, we're turning onto Cleveland Avenue now. And you see, so many gated communities. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Golden Triangle. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.